on with the penny better theory. Hey, look at that. Buffalo on the first one. No winner. Dollar winner. There's T50. Queens, no. That guy for 50 cents. Queens, $4 winner. Jacks, 50, a quarter. 10s all over the place. $3 winner. Come on, let's hit something now. Or that. $2.50. Not much. I'll do one more 20. So I do a 40-cent bid here and I'll hit it. Aces, no. Alright, one more, just one more. Just one more. 10 more. $2 winner. No coins anywhere ever. $3.30 winner. Ding ding. No. Horrible game. Catch out here. Going in hard. 380 a spin. $4.50 there. $1.50. Chips. $36 winner. $18 winner. What a bonus. Those guys. $13.50. 30 cents. Flowers for $4.50. $3 in chips. $3.30. Where's those drums? Got awfully quiet. $18. Last 10 spins. $0.60 for that guy. So coins with the more symbols. Oh, coins go away. Otherwise, you hit the coins a lot. $1.80. $1.80. Not good at all. It's got me going. A couple more. Last 10. Got it. 10 times. Right. 10 times pay. Okay. 3 symbols, but 10 times pay. Here we go. Let's hit something. Oh my goodness. Do the 10. That's a $90 hit on the first one. Do it again. Chips. $4. What do we got there? Nothing. Chips again. Oh yeah. Nothing. Retrigger. Coins. No. Oh, come on now. Don't do this to me. Brutal. Oh, horrible. $5 for that guy. Last ones. $120 is all. 90 on one hit. Ah. Hoping for a back-to-back. How about $120 on that one? There we go. That's what we're looking for. $2.50. A couple more. I want to hit that thing now. Coins, $1.50. I'm good. Please don't bother me while I'm here. Wow. Cooler. I gotta get out of here. There's a freaking cooler. Seriously. I'm out. Stupid cooler. so frustrating. Seriously, cooler. $15. All right, gotta go. Wow. That's the cooler again. Look at that. God dang it. Get out of here. Can't freaking believe it. Are they on to me? What's going on? They don't like when I win? That's just wrong. Getting out of here. Thanks for watching. Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you? Absolutely not. Leave me alone while I'm gambling. The cooler strikes again.